a loud buzzing sound. So I decided to switch it out. And I switched it out for this three-way. And I made sure to get a three-way switch. Just behind is like 2 wires that were capped. I left those. I had this one red wire, this red wire, the ground that was attached, and this black one. So I have 2 black and a red. And then I noticed that I needed to keep the 2 black wires together, black on brass, which I did. And then the red one I also put on this side, because when I didn't, I realized that this fixture or this switch also controls my hallway light and the bedroom light. And it wasn't working either of those when I didn't fix this. So I put the red on the bottom, I put the 2 black wires together on the one brass, and the white, I don't know if I can turn my thing on, there you go. The 2 white wires back there, I just left capped. So everything seems to be working now and in order. Knock on wood, everything seems to be good. Yeah.